CapCut just dropped a feature that completely changes how smooth your edits can look. And most people using it right now are doing it wrong. Because if you don't set this up properly, you'll get ugly black edges, weird fades, and motion that feels cheap instead of cinematic. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a clean 3D screen movement that looks professional and flows perfectly from start to finish. Let me show you how. First, import your clip and drag it onto the timeline. Set your ratio to 16:9, then resize the video so it fits perfectly. Now go to Effects, search for Player 3, and drag it onto your clip. At first, it looks cool, but here's the problem. You'll notice a black rectangle, glow, and an automatic fade-in that instantly ruins the effect. So let's fix that. Set Texture and Glow to 0. At the start of the effect, you'll see a fade-in. We don't want that at all. Move to the exact point where the fade-in ends, but don't move the playhead. Duplicate the video, shorten the duplicated clip, and drag it to the beginning. Resize it again at the playhead position. Now extend the effect so it covers all layers and set the speed to 100. Now the real fun begins. Add a detailed keyframe. Move about 2 seconds forward and rotate the clip. I rotated mine around 80 degrees. You'll see black edges appear. Don't panic, that's expected, and we'll fix it later. Move a few frames forward and adjust the size and horizontal position to create a zoom-in effect. Move forward again and rotate the clip in the opposite direction. Finally, at the end, reset the rotation and size back to default so the movement feels natural and complete. Once the motion looks good, select all layers, right-click, and create another compound clip. Go to the split point where the animation ends, press Ctrl-B to split it, then delete that small extra section. Now let's solve the biggest issue, those black edges. Add a transform keyframe at the start. Go to the end of the first rotation and zoom in just enough to hide the edges. Repeat this process for the other keyframes. At the animation's ending point, zoom in slightly and adjust the position until every black edge is gone. Almost done. Right-click the clip again, create another compound clip, and add motion blur. Set it to around 30 for smoother, more cinematic movement. And just like that, you've created a clean, professional 3D screen movement in CapCut. If you want your edits to look smoother, cleaner, and instantly more advanced, hit those buttons below and check out the channel for more editing tricks. I'll see you in the next one.